All right, we're here with oh, we're not here with anyone. We're eating Oreos. Right. All right, we're here eating Oreos, spooky Oreos. These are vanilla flavor. I don't know what makes them spooky, other than I guess they got pumpkins on the front. So let's open them up and we'll have a look at them. Ah, no. Okay, so one's got a little crumbly. I'll pull out a less crumbly one. They are. What have we got in here? It's like orangey filling. But I guess they're vanilla. Let's find out. Doesn't taste any different from a normal Oreo, but I do love Oreo, so it's like, yeah. I mean, you can never go wrong with Oreos. Oreos are delicious, let's be honest. They are probably one of my favourite biscuits, so, you know, they're crumbly goodness, but I can never go wrong with them, and I'm always happy when I get more Oreos, so these are awesome.